the lead. What's up my guys, it's your boy Elden Kenya 254.
And it's a guy by me.
And we are back once again. Oh, the Goliath lady. The Goliath lady. The Goliath lady. The Goliath lady. This is so beautiful, my guys. I'm telling you, it's just a cool place. A cool place. This therapy, check it. Look at the green. Look at the green. Oh my god. Look at the peoples. Watu wanacheza ball. Wengine magari. And I'm telling you, this place is just fun. Look at this. Look at this. Very beautiful. Look at this, my guys. Look. Man, look. Ona. Crazy. People are playing the balls there. The ball. People are playing the ball. Look at that. So cool, man. Let's come and chill for free. Hapa hakuna kulipishwa. It's therapy. I'm telling you. A therapy walk. Yeah, man. Mind refreshing walk. Telling you it's crazy. Ever. Like ever. Therapy walk as you had. And you can see the nature is green. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Relaxing mind, calming mind. Telling you, hapa nayo. I always enjoy this together with my hobbies hapa. Yeah, we must, once in a while, we must walk. Lazima tutoke hapa tunatembea kidogo. Si kila saa outings. But hatujasota jo. Na hatusoti soon. Unajua. Yeah, big things on the way. So just keep tuned. So guys, the year is about to end. Yeah. Manze imekuwa tough jo, but content nayo tumeangusha jo. So kitu imebaki ni wewe kusupport manze. Yeah. So guys, this is the second last video. We have one video to close the year 2024. Tupatane 2025. Semaje mrembo?
God bless you.
Yeah, God bless you, man. Imekuwa long year, long journey, man. We have kept pushing. Yeah, that's the background. Yeah, man. So guys, this is the last second video of the year 2024. Hapa sasa ni after tumetoka kushave.
Babe.
Babe, do you have something to tell the guys?
No.
Yeah, so guys, the last one video tuta make sure ni kali. Lakini sijui kama mrembo atakuwa. Kama atakuwa hajaenda ni sawa. Kama atakuwa ameenda nita represent.
Naenda Dubai.
Kibazenga. Aiona Dubai unaenda peke yako uniache? Nani anakupeleka? Ati mlisema K is constant Nairobi. K is constant. Go. Yeah, man. So girls, there is it. Yeah, tumeenda tu ma walk. Si unakumbuka story yaka kamse? Kako wapi? Dexy, come. Dexy, see? Look here. There. Yeah, that is it. So yeah. Let's keep in touch. Hey man, shall get back. Tutanego man, namfanya ile kitu. Here we don't tap but we subscribe, like and share, and remember to comment. Man, it's after a long day. Tumetoka shave, tumetoka place mob, so we are tired and we just went for a walk. So see you in the next one. Tell my people goodbye, baby.
Bye.
Hi Sema, but definitely we shall get to see each other. Yeah, man. It's Elden Kenya. Tell a friend about the Elden Kenya 254. Exactly. Yeah, man. So see you in the next one. Yeah.